Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to collapse or hide columns in Google Sheets. This is a useful feature when you're working with large spreadsheets and want to focus on specific data without deleting anything permanently. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Google Workspace dashboard where you can access all your files and documents. Once you're on the Workspace dashboard, look through your files and click on the spreadsheet where you want to collapse or hide columns. This will open up your Google Sheet in a new view, ready for editing. Make sure you've selected the correct spreadsheet so you're working on the right data. Now, here's where the magic happens. To hide a single column, simply right-click on the column header. You'll see a drop-down menu appear with various options. From that menu, click on Hide Column. Just like that, your column is now hidden from view. The data is still there, it's just tucked away neatly, so you can focus on other parts of your spreadsheet. But what if you need to hide multiple columns at once? Google Sheets makes this easy too. If you want to hide columns that aren't next to each other, click on the first column header you want to hide, then hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While holding Control, click on any other column headers you want to hide. Once you've selected all the columns you need, right-click on any of the selected headers and click Hide Columns. All those columns will disappear from view in one go. Now, if you want to hide columns that are right next to each other, there's an even simpler way. Click on the first column header in the range, then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click on the last column header in the range you want to hide. This will select all the columns in between. Then right-click on any of the selected headers and click Hide Columns. This method is perfect when you're working with consecutive columns and want to tidy up your view quickly. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to hide both individual and multiple columns in Google Sheets, giving you better control over how you view and manage your data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.